Hey guys, I'm back with another one. Sorry for missing last week. Uh, Today's date is the 28th of the 8th, which is August, right? Yep. So today is actually Saturday, but doing setups. My setups a little bit early, and just to get prepared for the market on Sunday. So as that being said, let's go. So before I begin, as usual, this is not financial advice. It's just my view, my perception of the market. So don't follow um what I'm doing. Just use this for educational purposes or entertainment purposes. That being said, let's go, and we'll begin with Bitcoin. So monthly, we're looking from here to here, 60k, 65k bullish. We got a huge pullback to around 30k, so very strong support here. And then the price started to go up again. Weekly, we're seeing it a little bit clearer. Daily, and here we have a bullish trend. So on the H4 we have a bullish trend, right? And basically price has found resistance at the back of the bullish trend and also at the previous resistance area. So for me, if I get a break above here without price going below here, I would actually be interested in taking a buy. And if I get a break below here without price going above here, I would actually take a sell. All right, and notice this is H4 and a new candle has just been formed. And for those wondering, I'm using a broker that allows Bitcoin to be traded on the weekend. So it's just Bitcoin. The other currency pairs won't be moving on to the Sunday. So nice and easy. So break above here, buy without price going below here, buy break below here, without price going above here. I would sell. So that's it for Bitcoin. Moving on to Australian USD monthly. We had a huge rejection here, bullish run. Then the bears took over. And now we have in a rejection right about here, right about in this support area. H4. Nice, huge bullish candle. So bears are in control. Bear. Currently at this minor. Bearish 39. H4. Nah, not interested at this time. Maybe something will develop up during the week, but that's for now. Nah, not interested. Moving on to CADJPY. So monthly resistance, support. You can see rejection right about here. So it's possible to get maybe something like that, but let's see. And this bullish trend is still intact. So weekly bullish trend, support right here. Bearish trend line still intact. H4. Maybe here and here. I'll probably take a break here. So notice here is here we have support. So support, 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 support. But I would actually take a break below here or a break above here. So here we have closer look. So if I get a break below here without price going above this point, I'll take a sell. And if I get a break above here without price going below here, I will take a buy. So that's it for CADJPY. Moving on to SwissJPY. So monthly, I'm liking this pair, liking because what I'm seeing on the monthly for SwissJPY. So we had a resistance, we had a strong resistance here, right here, right? So resistance, 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 and now it seems to turn into support. So let's see if this will hold. Weekly. So we're bullish on monthly, bullish on weekly. This bullish trend line is still intact, and this support very powerful. Daily, yeah, could say it's bullish. H4 definitely bullish. Yeah, bullish. So smooth has already passed, so I'm going to wait this one out. Maybe see if I can get maybe a pullback and then an entry, but for now, not interested. So that's it for SwissJPY. Moving on to EURJPY. Basically the same type of vibe. So we have a usual section right about here. Could probably get this. But let's see. So rejection. Bulls are in control. We broke the bullish trend line. And now we're heading up again. So we have bearish trend line right here. Price broke the bearish trend line. Still going up. Yeah. So bullish trend line, bullish trend still intact right in this area. So for me, if I get a break above here without price going below here, I'll take a buy. And if I get a break below here without price going above here, I will take a sell. So that's it for EURJPY. Moving on to USDJPY. Alright, so price struggling or flirting with this back of this trend line. Very indecisive. I've been watching this for weeks or months, weekly. So this year, trouble here. The bullish trend line is still intact and price is still above the bearish trend line. So we're in a limbo. Daily we have strong resistance here, right here. Resistance, 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 resistance. So price broke this bullish trend, started going bearish, sorry. Price broke this bearish trend, found support at the back of the trend and also over here, and you could probably say this is an inverted head and shoulder. So head, left shoulder, right shoulder. But let's see. H4. Yeah. So we have price converging, and this you could probably call a triangle. Right, so price is basically converging. So for me, if I get a break above here, without price going below here, I'll take a buy. And if I get a break below here, without price going above this point right here, I'll take a sell. So simple one on USDJPY, basically same setups, same type of setup I trade all the time. Onto GJ, so we have monthly, we have resistance, support, bullish trend line still intact. Bullish trend line is still intact, and this support is holding. Yeah, it's a bullish trend right here. Resistance at the back of a trend line. So for me, if I get a break below here, without price going above here, I would take a sell. And if I get a break above here, without price going below here, I would take a buy. So if we get a break above here and possible move to break right at this point, it would be saying to me that the bullish trend will continue. And if I get a break below here without price breaking above here, it would actually be saying to me that a bearish trend has started, because we would have a high, a low, a lower high, and then a lower low. So very simple one on GJ. Moving on to Euro New Zealand. Nothing interesting. So we have here price moving sideways right here. Maybe I would call it a channel, yeah. So there we have it. Channel wedge, whatever you guys want to call it. So price is moving in it. H4. So bears are in control. And I'm bearish as long as price remains below this area. H1. So bears are still in control, but I'm not interested in any setup on this one also. Moving on to next, EURUSD monthly. So we can see, so price broke the bearish trend line, the bearish trend phone support here. So support here, support here, support here, support here, support here, support here, and resistance here. So a very nice here. We have rejection right about here. So we could probably see this, but let's see. So break up the bearish trend line. And again, the move was already passed, so not interested in EURUSD for now. Let's see what will happen for the rest of the week. And up next, GBPUSD. Should be the same idea. So we have resistance here, resistance, previous support, weekly, bullish trend line broken, phone, support, nothing too special. And on the H4, so we have a bullish trend right here. So we have a low high, higher low, higher high. So for me, if price breaks this point without going above here, I would take a sell. I'm not interested in any bullish move for now. Moving on to New Zealand USD. H4 monthly, sorry. So huge resistance area. Weekly. Bears are in control from here to here. Support, 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 support. Again, not interested in New Zealand USD. Moving on to USD Swiss. So bears are in control from here to here. Bears are still in control. Price converging. So any break below this point would be good. Or any break below here would be good. So H4, we have support. And then we got a little rejection right about here. But for me, if I get a break below here, I'll take it. I'll definitely take it. Alright, moving on to US30. So extremely bullish. bullish. Look at this rejection right about here. So I'm extremely bullish on this. Bullish. So for me, if I get a break above here without price going below here, I'll take a buy. And if I get a break below here without price going above this point, I'll take a sell. Very simple setup on US30. Moving on to gold. So bulls are in control from here to here. And we have price converging a little. Price converging. Extremely bullish. Congrats to got this one last week. Still in this one, so now opportunity has passed, so we'll wait this one out. Moving on to GBP Swiss. So we have little bullish push right here, but also we are at the basically in the all-time low era, so I'll make note of that. So weekly we have the bullish push. We have price in a descending wedge, descending triangle, whatever. So look, so if I get a break below here, yeah, that would be extremely bearish. But that is the daily, so move has already passed. The only way I would be interested in this is maybe if we get a pullback or something. Although I'm bearish, but I'm not seeing any opportunity to enter. So moving on to USCAD. Monthly. Bears are in control from here to here. Pull back. Ejection. And bullish push right here. So definitely if we get a break below this point, I will be totally bearish. So break below here or here. So let's see. Yep. So if I get a break below here without price going above here, I'll definitely take a sell. Simple one on USCAD. Onto EURCAD. So EURCAD. Very interesting structure. So bears in control, rejection right about here. So it could be bearish. Little bullish push right here. So bullish right here. If I get a break below here, I would be bearish. So bullish push, price on resistance at the back of a trend line. If I get a break below here, I'll take it. So here we go. So if I get a break below here without price going above here, I'll take this one. So that's it for EURCAD. That's it for setups for this week. Alright guys, have a good week. See you on the next one.